RICHI Machinery Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of animal feed pellet equipment, biomass wood pellet equipment, grain storage silo system, and steel structure building, automatic control technology, and engineering. RICHI Group are located in Zhengzhou City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. RICHI Company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including large CNC numerically controlled machine, CNC hydraulic bending machine, radial drilling machine, CNC cutting machine, dynamic balancer detector. In addition, we have obtained CE, ISO 9001 CPIT, SGS BV certificates, and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to more than 132 countries, such as United States, Canada, UK, South Africa, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Algeria. RICHI stick to the service principle is, we are focusing on your future. Your future is our future. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Professional technical team, installation team, excellent after-sales services team is ready to service you. RICHI sincerely hopes to establish long-term cooperation with you.